Are you prepared to unlock the secrets hidden within your Excel sheets? Welcome to a journey that will shatter the ordinary and reveal the extraordinary. Greetings, curious Excel explorers. Brace yourself for an adventure that will redefine your relationship with spreadsheets. Today, we are unraveling the mysteries of working with pictures, shapes, and other objects in Excel. In a world of cells and formulas, a new chapter is about to unfold. Get ready for an extraordinary journey that will keep you at the edge of your seats. Excel Explorers, the moment of revelation has arrived. Today, we are about to uncover the secrets that lie beneath the surface of your spreadsheets. Join us as we delve into the suspenseful world of working with pictures, shapes, and other objects in Excel. Let's dive into the unexpected as we uncover the magic behind working with pictures, shapes, and other objects in Excel. Are you ready to elevate your Excel game? Okay, let's begin. Before going to some practical examples, let me show you some simple examples so you can understand well. First of all, go to Insert tab. You have a lot of options. For example, you can add shapes. There is a lot of shapes are available. You can insert pictures, you can insert from device, you can insert from stock images, you can search online images, you can add from anywhere. And here you have 3D models. You can add 3D models from your device, or we have a lot of stock 3D models. Now you can add screenshots which you have taken. If you can want to add smart art, for example, you are preparing some list, so you can prepare like this by adding simply, you can add some text like rent. So I added second text as house. You can made it according to your requirements, anything you want to add, so it will be like a 3D shape. You can also change its formatting. For example, if you want to like this, you can change it like this, like this, like this. There are a lot of options are available in your editing tab. For example, for different color, if you choose rent for orange, so you can do it according to your requirements. Okay, let's move to pictures. You can insert any picture from your device. For example, if I have some pictures, so I can pick it for you. So here I have a picture. You can see after selecting picture, now you have a one more tab, picture format, where you have a lot of options to present your picture. For example, you made some color corrections to it. If it needs, you can change its color, for example black and white or colorful, anything else. If your pictures need, you can add some artistic effects to make it more attractive. For example, it looks some attractive, but I will move it normal. You can also change its transparency, like if you want 100% opaque, you can use it. Anything you want to, you can do it for it from it. You can change picture. For example, if you want some borders around it, you can change it or place it according to your requirements. In which format you want to present, in which way you want to present in your data set, you can present it. For example, like a paper, like a shadow. So you can also place borders around it. So let me do some thick so it will be visible. You can also change some effects to picture. For example, like a shadow, reflection, like so it will be added beneath this. Now it will be shown to you shadow. So we have a lot of options there. You can crop it and you can customize your picture according to your own way to which you want to present. Okay, let's move to shapes. Shapes play a very important role to present any data set. Here we have a lot of options of shapes. we can draw it according to our requirement. For example, if I choose smiley face, so I can draw it. Another crazy thing, you can also draw shapes. For example, I select smiley. If you want to draw it accurate circle, press shift and draw it. It will be a complete round circle. So here same like picture options, shapes also have a lot of options where you can change shape fill. For example, I choose this shape outline, for example black, shape effects. So anything you can customize like picture. So let's move to some practical example to understand better about these. Okay, let's start with our first practical example. For example, I want to place logo at their my student card design. So I will go to insert pictures, this device. So I have a png at there. I just choose it. I will resize it so it will be set there like this. Now you can see my student card looks too much attractive. Picture can be used in this way. You can also change its, like for example, if you want place round borders or anything which it suits, so you can place it like there. It looks better in my way, so I keep it as it is. Okay, let's move to the example of shape, practical example. Here is I have bunch of data which is no limit and how long it is. So here I want total sale price, for example total units sale. So I just simply go to my next column. I just place it total units sold, which is I want. I just go to next cell. I use formula sum. I want sum of units sold, so I just select the column units sold, parenthesis close, press enter, like boom, it use autofill. So like total items which is sold are presented here. Like I want to calculate my total profit, so I will calculate total profit, so is equal to sum, parenthesis start, select the profit box and bracket close, like it is your total profit. I will also calculate total sales. So same formula, just select the sale box, bracket close, and like. Now I will present these three terms or numbers in my shapes, which will be placed at there. So every time I want to check my total units sold, I just go to this specific shape and just check it out. I don't want to go and find it at the end of the data. It is too much long data, never ending. It has too much entries, so it will take too much time to find it. I just placed insert shape. I will place first of all circle for total unit sold. So I marked as yellow. You can also customize it as I told you. So I want this entry in this. We can link cell with our shape. Just go to formula bar, select your shape, go to formula bar, enter your cell address which you want to link. For example, I link to, you can select it manually, like Sorry, it is facing some error, so we will do it manually. It is R2, like boom. See, you can also customize it. For example, center, you can change its font. Also, you can increase its size and bold. So here it is not showing some text. We can insert some text also there. So it is our total units sold. So we can also customize the text. We just increase it. So shape format, shape fill, like I need no shape fill, like this. So now it look better. But now you noticed one thing, like shape is moving but text is not moving. You press Ctrl plus Shift, select shape, then your press Shift, select shape, and then your text box, right click on it and group it. Now see, it will move collectively. So I placed it there. Now once again I go for insert, shape, I choose rectangle for my total profit will be in green. So I placed is reference R3, sorry, capital R3. So like this, same thing I will do for it, so it looks some. So same thing I do, insert text, total profit. So same thing, no fill. I want bold it and want to increase some text size, place it in center. Same thing, select both, press shift and select both. So mark it as group so he can move. Now see another one thing, if I go to change any of units sold, so it will be auto updated at there. For example, I change 888 from 9000 to, like, see, it is auto updated there. So every time I don't want to go beneath the cell, I just insert shape and I can calculate it from there. You can use according to your requirements or according to your data.